This weather report brought to you by Crime Stoppers and the National Firearms Amnesty.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Temperatures are set to rise across the Sunshine Coast from tomorrow, as Rob just said. And by Thursday, Friday, it'll feel very much like spring. So keep an eye out for those pre-season nesting magpies. Today's max and min temps were very slightly above average, and that warming trend will continue. The range in Nambour was 9 to 22 degrees. On the satellite loop now, it's been quiet through here. In fact, it's been a beautiful day for the most part on the Sunshine Coast. A few clouds developing this afternoon, and there's an echo on radar inland. I'm not even sure if it's a real one or not. Have to check it out. But apart from that, there's a bit of high clouds streaming in from the west as well, which doesn't seem to have probably reached us yet. Tropics, a few little showers, but that's normal at this time of year. Now, today's chart. High pressure system, there's two heads. They're both only weak, just moved off the coast, and owing to the weakness of this high pressure cell, the winds have been light enough for some fog around. You would have had to be up fairly early to see the fog though. And of course, inland, you've got this next inland trough. It's a long way away, but it's already having an effect on our temperatures. On tomorrow, that effect will be a bit more pronounced. The trough moves into western Queensland, turning the winds around to the north, not just inland, but even on the coast for us. And of course, a north wind for us means warmer temperatures. On the outlook chart then, as the trough moves nearer, we're getting into Thursday now, there's a possibility we'll get some late showers from this system, and it'll get quite warm before it finally goes through late on Friday. That'll be the warmest day. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. The north wind should start kicking in tomorrow. Like I said, less than 20 knots at first, but reaching warning force from the northwest by Friday, up to 30 knots. Surf's definitely smaller than yesterday, with just a ripple remaining at Noosa and Mooloolaba. They're still pushing 1.5 metres on the open beaches. Tomorrow's high tide will be close to the middle of the day. It's only a baby tide, with the half moon due in just 3 days, but the night tides are still surprisingly big. The southeast coast district, some early fog, then sunny, outside chance of a late shower. Maroochydore 10 up to 22 degrees, Nambour and Gympie 23. And looking ahead for Maroochydore, rather toasty this Thursday, Friday, before cooler weather sets in again for the weekend. There's a decent chance of at least a passing shower on Friday before the change. Well, I've had several photos of this same cloud formation sent to me from different locations. This one's from Ian Waldy in Kawana. It's called a hole punch cloud, or in some countries a fall streak cloud. I call it an angel falling out of a hole in heaven. These are rare but well-documented clouds. A little hard to explain, though, in 10 seconds, so I'll have to pass for now and hand you back to Rob.
I think we'll go with your description, Liv. Good on you, mate. As always, it's lovely having your company. A reminder, you can watch our news anytime on 7plus or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
On 7 News tonight, Queensland's border survives another